everybody. I would like to thank you for watching yet another video, and if you're new, please subscribe to my channel. I want to show you guys 3 to 4 ways of how you can preserve your hair when you sleep. This helped me so much. Before, my hair used to not last long. By the second, third day, I had to shower again because my hair was frizzy. I lost definition of my curls and it was super dry. Once you're sleeping on the pillow, this goes like that, and you move around and you toss and turn while you're sleeping. This causes frizz, dryness. So these ways really help avoid friction to your hair. I really didn't know how much this would change my life. Yeah, it might be annoying at night to sleep with all these things, but in the morning you're looking fresh, good, the curl is on point. And sometimes I don't even have to refresh my curls if I do sleep with them at night. So I will show you guys a couple of protection I use for my hair when I sleep. So the first thing I'm gonna show you guys, what I wear at night is the satin or silk scarf. Up to you what you have, they're both as good. So first, what you do is with a satin scrunchie, I use this because it's tight. So you just need to loop it once on your hair and it doesn't get tangled in there. This fabric doesn't frizz my hair, so I use this at night. I pin my hair up in a ponytail, so I put all of them. If you have shorter hair in the back, you can do 2 ponytails, up to you. So I do like this, I take it around once, this, and then I bring the scarf. So I use this the most. So I take the scarf and then just tie the front like this. This ponytail is the best way because you're taking your curls out of the way, so they're loose, they're out of the way when you sleep. So putting your hair on the top helps your hair not get squished when you're asleep. If your hair is longer and it's in your way, you can just tuck it in. So without gently, you don't want to irritate the curls, you can just tuck it in. Like this. And if you're having problems during the night keeping this on, I would recommend just pinning it to the side. One here, one over here, and then you can toss and turn as you please. I like to show them, you know, because it looks cute like this. Another way, do it once. And you don't want to double because you don't want to have a dent or crease on your hair when the next day. What you can also do, if you don't like wearing anything, you can just have a silk pillow and just have your hair loose or in a pineapple. I'll show you my silk pillow. So I always have this as an extra protection. So even when I have my scarf on or it's in a pineapple, I try not to move a lot and make sure my curls are having their own space, and I just like this. Yeah, and it feels so nice on your skin. So it also helps protect your hair from frizziness and your skin from any rough material. Okay, this is bothering me. So the reason I use a silk pillowcase is cotton pillowcases tend to suck the moisture from your hair, which the next day you end up seeing your curls frizzy, dry, and they don't even look like curls anymore, defined. The last thing you can do is a satin bonnet. I just put all my hair in the center and just turn it over, but it looks very granny-like. I barely use this because I'm married, you know. But sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do, and get the protection you need for the next morning. So what I do is just from the back, and then I put all of them in gently. And then, yeah, this is how it looks. Not very attractive, but it's worth it the next morning. I found that I don't have issues with the bonnet when it comes to like moving around, tossing it like that, you know? It doesn't come off as much as the scarf, but yeah, so it depends on the state that my hair is in. I either use the bonnet, the scarf, or just scrunchie and pillowcase. But with all these two options, I always have my pillow. It just feels good. But right after, you just, you know, since you tied it once, you just move it like this, pop everything in place. Depending, sometimes I don't refresh, but sometimes when it's very frizzy or I see a few sections, I just water it and put my Resource Curls detangling spray and just pat it, get rid of all that frizz. Sometimes when using these options at night, I don't have to refresh in the morning, which makes my day faster. I just like shake it around because it gets stuck. Shake it, and that's it. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you found this beneficial for you. Thanks.